So there are air fryers and there are air fryers, and this is an air fryer. It's from Gotham Steel and it really is one of the best I've ever used. It's so simple. You've got the heat there, always put it on high if you want to get that wonderful color. And here you've got your basket which allows any oil to drip through, and you can make anything from roasted vegetables to fish, seafood, even chicken. And it just comes out brilliantly. Air fryers in the last decade have been the main appliance for every kitchen. It does the same as your oven, but a lot faster. So if you want to get crispy, wonderful food that's good for you, that's what you're going to use. Now, I love the healthy, I love the skinny, but you know what I sometimes am craving? That little bit of crunch. I want some potato chips, I want some almonds, I want to have something that is at the end of a meal that feels like a little treat. Well, all I'm using is a can of chickpeas and show you the magic of an air fryer. I'm going to drain this can and then I'm going to just season it up. And I want you to use your favorite seasoning. This is the main ingredient for hummus, chickpeas. Give it a little bit of drain. I want to have them nice and dry, and I'm going to use a spray of an oil and I'm going to use some seasoning. You can use your favorite. I'm going to use a buffalo seasoning, but you can use anything from truffle salt to just salt and pepper. Into the basket they go. Buffalo seasoning. A nice amount, but a lot's going to drip through. Give it a spray to seal it. And I'm going to put that on for about 10 minutes, and you're going to have a wonderful little treat that's guilt-free. So our guilt-free snacks are ready. That was a can of chickpeas, and they're seasoned up and crunchy and delicious. Honestly, that is something you want to try if you're looking for a snack that tastes great, that's guilt-free and flavored just the way you want it.